Alright guys, ModRocks321 here. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks Mr. Mob Rockets. Appreciate you. So you know what for. Anyway, we are here back on another launch day. We're going to be getting a few rockets up here and there. I'm back with the Rotor Raptor. Had to repair it. Last time it nosedived, but as you can see, all the rubber bands are in place. Got my D12.3 engine in there. All rubber bands in place. And we are ready to go. I'm going to send this up. So like a near perfect day. It's not a lot of wind like last time. So we're going to send this one in the sky and see you guys in a minute. And also be sure to subscribe to the channel, ModRocks321. Also hit the donation link. Also IN_321 at Estes Rockets. Shop Estes Rockets. Use discount code IN_321. Get yourself a nice discount. And let's do it. Alright, here we go. We got the Rotor Raptor going on a D12.3. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he is. We got blades out. I see the blades. They are out. Coming down. Nice. He is up there and he's rotating, so we're doing good. Sun is heavy in my eyes. Hopefully you guys are seeing this one. Coming down pretty much right at the pad. This is nice. He is doing this thing. I'm getting heavy sun. Oh man, sun. Oh yeah, that is nice. So the repairs worked. Check him out. Coming down. This is nice. Coming down. This is cool. Nice and slow. That is the way it's supposed to go right there. That is the way it's supposed to go. Look at that. That is perfect. Not a lot of wind on him. Nice. And touching down right there. Nice. That was perfect right there. There you go, the Rotor Raptor on a D12.3. Last time I flew this guy, the thread burned, but the blades didn't pop all the way out. So we're gonna grab this guy and we have a nice, successful launch. All we have to do is have no damage and we're good. I think we're gonna be good. That was soft. That was super soft. Even though this ground out here is mainly like gravel and stuff. So that was a great one. That was a pretty good good flight. Good flight right there. Good flight. I'll take that all day. Yeah, just sitting here, always check these guys. They're all good. There's the burn hole. Nice. I mean, I couldn't ask for a better start. That was it. That was sweet. That was perfect. I will take that. That is a 10 out of 10. I'll tell you that's a 10. ModRocks321 guys, and we are here. So go on, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next flight coming up right now. Alright guys, got another flight lined up for you. We got the Alpha 1, I believe. It's the Estes Alstron Alpha 1 from way back in the day. I just upscaled it. And we're going to be flying this guy next on the Aerotech E20-4. Should be a cool flight. So let's get that going. Alright, here we go with the Estes Alpha 1. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Way up. Way up. There we go. And we got parachute. I'm also running an altimeter on there. So yeah, he's coming down right over us again. Like I said, guys, very light wind today, so no issues with drift or anything like that. So yeah, he's doing good, coming on down. There he is right there. There we go. There we go, he's coming on down. Yeah, this is a good day, man. Good day for flying, not a lot of wind. Perfect, coming on down. And I'm running altimeter, so we'll have some data. E20 motors, you know, they do their thing. They jump off the pad. There he is touching down. Right there. Nice. So let me go on and trek down the canyon. Go get this guy. Very nice flight. Like I said, that rocket right there, I scratch built that probably last summer or the summer before. Had it for a little while now, and also did a night launch using that same rocket. And it was very good. It was a very good launch at night. So I just put the glow kit on there. Actually, one of the drone cameras I put on there, and it did good. So here we go. Altimeter. So rocket, everything's here. I'm not expecting any kind of damage. So look at that motor still smoking. Got a little smoke still coming out of him. Yeah, leaped off the pad. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Very cool. Very cool. I guess I'll start up here. Like that. Now we'll check this altimeter when I get back over to the range. It's my Rock 321, guys. Be sure to subscribe. Hit the like button. Drop a donation. Support the Estes link. EstesRockets.com. Put in discount code IN_321. Get yourself a discount on anything on the website. Some things are excluded, but most things you can get. Get your motors, rockets. I know the Falcon, you could not get their Falcon 9 using the discount. That's one of their exclusive products and they want to make all the money. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. It's my Rock 321. Alright guys, so we got 766 feet. We got 210 miles an hour. And we have, what else we got here? The thrust time is 1.3 seconds. That was a E20-4, one of the Aerotechs. Still smoking right there too. I'm not sure you can see that or not. But yeah, 13 G's that thing pulled. 7.4 G's average acceleration. So some extreme stuff. Those E20 motors, coast phase was about 5 seconds. So yeah, I don't know if that's right. 5 seconds coast. I don't know. Yeah, it could have been. Yeah, after it burned out and it just coasted up there for 5 seconds, it could have been. Yeah, ejection was at 233 feet. But yeah, cool. Very cool. Got some data on that one. So stay tuned for more, guys. My Rock 321. Alright guys, my Rock 321 here. So this is the final launch of the day. This is my Operation Doomsday rocket, which is MF Doom, an MF Doom rocket. Search MF Doom and you'll see what I'm talking about. This rocket was actually the Red Max. I just did my thing to it. I made it a Doom rocket. There's MF Doom right there. Operation Doomsday right there. We're going to be going on an F-15-4 Estes one. So let's do it right now. It's my Rock 321. Let's go. Alright guys, here we go. We got the Operation Doomsday MF Doom rocket. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he is. He's up there. Bright orange parachute. Sun is in my eye. Hopefully you guys are seeing because I am having trouble. Wow. Let me see. Oh yeah, this sun is in my eyes, like serious. Man, there's nothing I can really do. The sun is in my eyes. Hope you guys are seeing it because I'm not. And we're gonna come down in the sun. Yeah, I'm not getting anything on this one. I still like for it, but he just touched down, so that's the best thing. Sorry about that sun glare. The sun's like right there, and the screen, and the problems, But looked like it was a great launch, great flight. I think I was in frame. But anyway, it's my Rock 321. The MF Doom rocket just touched down. Also, I did run altimeter. That was kind of a hard landing. I see a little ding on this fin right here. This, yeah, the black fin got a little crispy crunch right there, a little Captain Crunch on there. I'll be able to just seal that off with some epoxy or something. But we have an altimeter. I'll get back over. You know what? We can do it right here. Let's do an altimeter reading right here. Let's see what we got. There we go. So, looked like we had coast phase was 4.2 seconds. Apogee ejection, I don't know why they got 0.0. Let's see what's next. So that was 528 feet ejection. So what else we got here? Descent was 11 miles per hour descent. And we have 38-second flight duration. And also, well, I guess that's it. Battery level's at 100%. I think it starts over right here with the, yeah, 528 feet that went. Not bad for this heavy rocket. It's built kind of heavy. But that was on an F-15 motor, so cool. So you can fly F-15 motors in small parks on rockets like this, I believe. Anyway, it's my Rock 321, and we will be back with the debriefing. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for checking out the content and being a supporter of the channel. Appreciate you very much. And we got more coming for you. It's my Rock 321, and we are out. Peace. All right, guys, welcome to debriefing time. You just witnessed 3 great near perfect flights. I mean, I can pretty much say perfect flights except for a little damage on that black fin there. But it was a great day. The weather was perfect. The winds were low. The Rotor Raptor is back. Did the repairs, as you saw. Had that crash in the previous video. You can go watch that if you haven't seen it yet. But we are back in the sky with the Rotor Raptor. Helicopter rocket design. I upscaled it, all scratch built. Performed greatly, no complaints at all. Great flight. Took its sweet time coming down. This is the best rotation I've seen on this one. I guess they don't like when there's not a lot of wind up there. They can really get their spin, and those blades are just rotating and rotating and rotating. Came on down, came home in spectacular fashion. No complaints here. Balsa nose cone. I had this around. Built all this from here up, was all rebuilt. So you saw the damage on the last one in the last video, and this is the repairs. And I had a D12.3 in there. Seemed to like those. It's a shame I built it too short. I should have built with the longer motors, but for this rocket, D12.3 is fine. You don't want it hanging out up there too long so it can drift off on you. But this was a great one. That was the first flight, and the flight after that was the Operation Doomsday, I believe, the MF Doom rocket, or was it the Alpha? It could have been the Alpha, but either way, we'll get to this one. Yeah, this one was just, this is the upscaled, the Red Max, but I just took it and I did my own theme to it. That's a common thing. This is the MF Doom rocket. There is where it landed on those plywood fins, gave them some cracks. I'll probably seal this over with some epoxy. Just run some epoxy in there and get them nice and strong. But it flew great. It was a great flying rocket. Again, super flight. It was on the F-15. Went up there really nice. Slow lift off for the most part. Cool burn. This motor, everything performed as it was supposed to. Retainer. And another great flight. Another great flight. This rocket performs well. Nice. And then my Alpha. Upscaled Alpha 1. Leaped off the pad on an E20-4 motor, which is right here. Might be stuck. Oh yeah, I can get it. Let's see. Might be a little stuck. Let me angle down a little for you. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. So yeah, get this E20 out of there. Aerotech E20 composite motor. Leaped off the pad. Spectacular. Super fast. Here you can see where I have my glow kit and my cameras and stuff I'll run. But yeah, parachute came out, came on down, came home, landed on these heavy-duty fins. And another great flight. And a great flight. This is a cool, very nice launch today. Everything worked to perfection. I went in focused, made sure everything was all lined up good. Did my rebuild on the Rotor Raptor, and he's back. You'll see more of this guy in action. I love flying these. Really fun. Great watching those blades swirl around. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Drop a comment. SD's discount code. Remember, IN_321. Fill your cart. Put in IN_321 and get yourself a discount. And that is the end of this one. And we will see you again. It's Rock 321, and I'm out.